What's up and welcome back. I want to talk to you about leaving money on the table. What if I told you I want to give you money, right? What does that mean? Yarik wants to give you money. Well, it's quite simple. You live in a block and sometimes we have houses such as this one back of me, right? Overgrown grass, windows are boarded up, we got mail in the front, rusty railroad rails. So notice this property has been abandoned for some time, and it could be living next door to one, or maybe around the corner. You know, you go for a walk and sometimes you see these houses that have been abandoned. Well, guess what? Take a picture, send me the address, and shoot it over to me. Give me a little description of what's going on. You know, hey, I haven't seen anybody at this house. Hey, I'm seeing this house overgrown. I know the owners, whatever it could be, right? Just walk around, see exactly what's going on in your neighborhood. And sometimes we oversee things. You know, sometimes we notice certain things, like I haven't seen the owner of this house for some time. I've seen leaks, I've seen a lot of repair. I've seen that the owner is distressed. Whatever it could be, right? Reach out to me, let me know. This is the address, the picture of the house, tell me a little description. If you really want to get me to the closing table, this is where you get the referral fee. The referral fee means that you gave me a lead, I'm able to reach out to the owner, I'm able to close it. If I'm able to close it, guess what? We're all making money. I will make sure that you get paid discreetly with a referral fee, up to $5,000. So, meaning, all you have to do, you know, find a house such as this one that is distressed. Go ahead and send me the information, shoot me in the DMs, shoot me in the Facebook, YouTube, whatever you want, just go ahead and do that. And if you really want me to get to the closing table, reach out to the owner, meaning you live next to each other and you know them by name. So just knock on the door, you know, maybe you see them outside, maybe you see them always talking about how much repair they need, how much money they don't have. They might be going through some rough times, divorce, right? A death in the family, divorce, etc., etc., etc. So those little things can point out that Yarik buys houses, and let me reach out to him. Let me reach out to him. If I don't buy that house, I know somebody that will. Either way, it gets to the closing table, and once it does, you'll get a referral fee. Guaranteed. Just all you have to do is just reach out to me, take a picture, send me the address. Let's make it happen. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me, and I'll explain to you further. Bye. Be great. Take care.